I'm Sunny from VOVO Corporation. We are manufacturing integrated toilets since 2001. Let me introduce our product. Firstly, this model we are supplying to American standard for more than 9 years. This model is like a full optioned car, so you can control with control, or it's fully automatic, so you don't need to do anything. Our main item are two, so integrated model and this electric bidet. This electric bidet, you can install any toilet, so even you don't need to, distort your toilet. Let me show you this. This is sliding type. So you connect to your water supply and just slide your toilet. This one we are supplying to 6 stars hotel, like Hyatt hotel. And this one, complete one, and there's no water tank, so it doesn't store any water. That's why it doesn't smell at all. And this one, this is like fully optioned car, so you don't need to do anything. But still you can control the controller to control what you like. So you can control seat temperature, water temperature, dry temperature, or LED light, and power saving as well. And bidet function, you can push the button, then control the pressure. This one goes on the wall besides toilet. And we are here for looking for new partners, and I hope we will get it soon.